Hi. They told you that equipment installed at your power station is quite safe. But if someone hacked the power station, they will blame you. Here, I want to help you how to deal with vulnerabilities of the OEM equipment installed at your power station. As there are far too many vulnerabilities around, it is challenging to find those related to the equipment installed at the power station. Recognizing that, we have added vulnerabilities to our knowledge database of industrial parts. Each vulnerability is treated as a product on its own, an unwanted product indeed. Now, let's see how is it working. First, we type vulnerabilities into search box. The search box in our database is pretty clever and comes with a lot of suggestions. You will find a pretty large amount of vulnerabilities. Then, let's search for one concrete vulnerability you have received today morning in your mailbox. Let's search for 25669. Here, you will find all necessary information in one single place. We gathered CVE source database and also all necessary OEM links such as firmware upgrades or information about the updates. However, much more useful would be to search for the equipment installed at your power station. Let's search for the switch X2OT with cryptic model number 6GK5202-2BB00-2BA3 alias Scalance X202-2IRT. I do believe that somebody should explain to the marketers to improve on the naming or slash down the number of models and variants. For your documentation or other system, you can use this permanent link